Want to know how to make $500 per day with ChatGPT in 2024? We're going to delve into the exciting world of ChatGPT, a lucrative side hustle that's causing quite a stir this year. We'll unravel why it's the talk of the town and how you can potentially bank a cool $500 a day. Buckle up as we embark on this journey to financial independence through innovation. Stay tuned if you want to turn this opportunity into a reality. First off, let's quickly understand what ChatGPT is. Imagine a super intelligent machine that can have a conversation with you, understand your context, and even generate creative content. That's what ChatGPT is all about. It's a language model developed by OpenAI that uses machine learning to engage in human-like text conversations. Now you might wonder, why is ChatGPT such a big deal? Well, it's because of its immense capabilities. It can draft emails, write articles, create poetry, answer questions, and even tutor in a variety of subjects. It's like having a personal assistant that never tires and is always ready to help. But it's not just about convenience. ChatGPT is also a game changer in terms of its potential for businesses. It can handle customer service inquiries, automate repetitive tasks, and provide valuable insights by analyzing large volumes of text data. But what makes ChatGPT truly revolutionary is how it learns. It's trained on a diverse range of internet text, but it doesn't just mimic the training data. It understands context, it adapts, and it generates responses that are relevant and, quite frankly, astonishingly human-like. ChatGPT is transforming the tech industry, and its implications are far-reaching. It's not just a tool, it's a whole new way of interacting with technology. Now that you have an understanding of ChatGPT, let's see how it can make you money. Getting started with ChatGPT is easier than you might think. It's a seamless process that requires just a few simple steps. Let's break it down. First things first, you'll need to sign up for an account. Head over to the ChatGPT website and click on Sign Up. Fill in your details, create a secure password, and voila, you're registered. Once you've registered, you'll be redirected to the home page. Now, this is the hub of ChatGPT. You'll see different sections here. My projects, templates, settings, and so on. Familiarize yourself with these sections. They're your tools to navigate the platform. Let's dive a bit deeper. My projects is where you'll manage all your ChatGPT projects. You can create new ones, modify existing ones, or delete the ones you no longer need. Moving on to templates. This section is the birthplace of your AI scripts. Here you can create templates for your projects. You can choose from a range of prompts and responses. It's like tailoring the AI to fit your needs. The settings section is pretty self-explanatory. It's where you can manage your account details, adjust your preferences, and control your privacy settings. Now you might be wondering, what's the basic functionality of ChatGPT? Well, it's all about conversation. ChatGPT is designed to have human-like text conversations. You input a text prompt, and ChatGPT responds with a relevant output. It's that simple. But there's more. It's not just about the conversation, it's also about the quality of the conversation. That's where fine-tuning comes in. You can adjust the temperature and max tokens to control the AI's randomness and length of response. This allows you to have more control over the conversation. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to start with ChatGPT, from signing up to navigating the platform and understanding its basic functionalities. It's a journey that's exciting, intriguing, and potentially profitable. With these steps, you're now ready to start earning with ChatGPT. Now let's dive into the core of our discussion, how to monetize ChatGPT. First up, consider content creation. ChatGPT is a powerful tool for generating text, and you can use it to create articles, blog posts, ebooks, and even poetry. It can produce high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would take you to write it manually. You can sell this content, use it to drive traffic to your website, or monetize it through advertising. Next, let's talk about customer service. Many businesses are looking for ways to automate their customer service, and ChatGPT can provide a solution. You can train ChatGPT to answer common customer queries, freeing up human agents to handle more complex issues. By offering a ChatGPT-powered customer service solution, you can help businesses save time, money, and resources. Coaching is another area where ChatGPT can be monetized. Whether it's language learning, business coaching, or personal development, ChatGPT can be a valuable assistant. It can provide personalized advice and encouragement based on the user's input. By setting up a subscription-based service, you can offer continuous support to your clients and generate a steady income. Don't forget about software development. ChatGPT can be integrated into a variety of software applications to enhance their functionality. It can be used to create chatbots for websites, virtual assistants for mobile apps, or even NPC dialogues for video games. By selling your ChatGPT integrated software or offering it as a service, you can tap into a lucrative market. Last but not least, consider data analysis. ChatGPT can be trained to analyze large volumes of data and generate reports in plain English. This can be a valuable service for businesses that need to make sense of their data but don't have the resources for a full-time data analyst. These are just a few ways to monetize ChatGPT, but the opportunities are endless. So how exactly can you earn $500 per day with ChatGPT? First, carve out a niche for yourself. It's a big world out there with countless opportunities for AI chatbot services. You could focus on customer service for small businesses, or perhaps you have a knack for creating engaging AI characters for video games. Whatever your niche, it's essential to find a space where your skills and interests intersect with a demand in the market. Second, market your services effectively. It's one thing to have a great product, but another entirely to make people aware of it. Use social media to your advantage. Create engaging content that showcases the benefits of your chatbot. Run ads if you have the budget. Reach out to potential clients directly. You might be surprised how far a little hustle and a lot of networking can take you. Third, never stop learning and improving. The world of AI is always evolving, and so should you. Stay updated with the latest developments in the field. Take online courses, attend webinars, join forums. The more you know, the better your chatbot will be. And the better your chatbot, the more you can charge for your services. Of course, earning $500 per day won't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a lot of perseverance. But with every new client, every successful project, you'll be one step closer to your goal. Remember, it's not just about the money, it's about the freedom and flexibility that comes with running your own business. It's about the satisfaction of creating something valuable, something that helps people, something you can be proud of. So don't be afraid to dream big. Don't be afraid to take risks. You've got the tools, the talent, and the potential to make it happen. With these strategies, the goal of $500 per day is not too far off. Let's quickly recap everything we've discussed today. We've delved into the world of ChatGPT, an advanced AI language model that's revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. We've discovered that it's not only an innovative tool for businesses and tech enthusiasts, but also a potential goldmine for anyone seeking to earn some extra income online. We started off by understanding what exactly ChatGPT is. We learned that it's an AI developed by OpenAI that's capable of generating human-like text. It can chat, write, translate, and even create content, making it a versatile tool for a wide range of applications. Then we ventured into how to get started with ChatGPT. We understood that it doesn't require any advanced technical knowledge. All you need is a stable internet connection and a willingness to learn. We discussed signing up, familiarizing yourself with the platform, and starting to experiment with different ways of using the AI. Next, we explored how to monetize ChatGPT. We saw that there are countless ways to turn this AI into a money-making machine. From offering content creation services to building chatbots for businesses, the opportunities are endless. And the best part? You don't need to write a single line of code. We also shared some valuable tips on how to earn up to $500 per day. We emphasized the importance of identifying high-paying niches, creating a unique selling proposition, and delivering top-notch service to your clients. And remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, dedication, and hard work. As we conclude, let's not forget that this is just the beginning of your ChatGPT journey. The world of AI is constantly evolving, and there are still many untapped opportunities waiting to be discovered. Remember, the key to success with ChatGPT is persistence and creativity. So go ahead, start your ChatGPT journey today and make your financial dreams come true.